all I'm simply going to do is head over to my indicators and I'm going to turn on this indicator called Deep Trades. Now, what this indicator is going to represent is this indicator is representing aggressive buying and aggressive selling in the markets. Now, the one thing I need you guys to understand and take into consideration is that you have two different types of participants in the markets. Passive participants that are going to be using limit orders to get executed into the market, and aggressive participants. Those participants are going to be using market execution orders to get executed into the market. Now, whenever somebody is buying or selling as an aggressive participant, they're using a market execution order. And that's what these bubbles that you guys see on my screen are. These are all aggressive buyers and sellers executing themselves into the market and putting themselves into a position. Now, the one thing I need you guys to understand, it is going to be the aggressive orders and the speed at which those orders come into the markets that are going to move the markets either up or down. Passive participants are going to be the ones that are absorbing that aggression or holding price in a specific area. So going over this example here, what we could see here is we have these green bubbles that are going to represent aggressive buying set at minimum 30 contracts or more. That is going to be considered a large buyer. And then we have the red bubbles that are going to represent large aggressive sellers in the market. So this is giving us a visual representation of where the real orders are being placed. Now, why this data is important, because if you're going to be looking for price to reverse and head in a specific direction, we can use this information to our advantage and get into the trade a lot earlier than somebody just waiting for a candlestick confirmation. And sometimes you might even avoid taking a specific loss by not taking a candlestick confirmation and waiting for these types of confirmations instead.